Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Washington Boulevard and we're heading towards Mandela Highway. Now today we're going to give you an update on the water situation in the Kingston and St. Andrew area. Now Jamaica has had some serious issues with water distribution to homes, but the government has made some major strides or major breakthroughs with this. So the corporate area is now more water resilient because of the infrastructure changes that the government have put in. Now the Kingston and St. Andrew area uses 37 million gallons of water a day. So whenever there is a drought, they have water restrictions, etc. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what the government has done to fix these water issues. Kingston and St. Andrew is now more water resilient than ever before, says Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Honorable Matthew Samuda. Minister Samuda said ongoing water infrastructure projects in the corporate area and surrounding communities have brought reliable access to portable water to more residents. He noted that the current demand for water in Kingston and St. Andrew stands at 37 million gallons per day, bolstered by recent significant reductions in non-revenue water loss. We have saved 17 million gallons because of the work and investment of this government in the water network, he said. A national program aimed at reducing non-revenue water loss across Jamaica is set to commence soon, which will involve major upgrades to distribution networks. Minister Samuda also announced the commencement of the second phase of construction for a new water treatment facility that will provide an additional 15 million gallons daily to the corporate area as well as Portmore. This project will benefit approximately 150,000 National Water Commission customers and is part of a broader strategy to improve water resilience during the dry season. In the worst of our drought, we were short 12 million gallons in the corporate area extended into Portmore. The water treatment plant will supply 15 million gallons daily in and out of drought, he informed. Starting next month, we will begin work on the second phase of bringing to life those lines along Washington Boulevard, Minister said. Minister Samuda, okay, so that's the end of the update article. So hopefully the water issues that Jamaica used to experience in the corporate area, the Kingston and St. Andrew area, will be a thing of the past. So we'll keep you guys updated on all these major infrastructure projects that the government is doing re-water. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.